get them at the butcher and the bar. And the way that we cook with colors, we use all Florida local vegetables in all the dishes that we make.
We love to cook whatever's fresh and local. That's really the biggest thing. And we take that and we make it taste good. Usually it's just allowing whatever products, the base products we have, just allowing those qualities to shine, and then we like to highlight that. Try not to doctor it up too much, but as you can see here, do a little bit of fun stuff with it.
Hey everybody, I'm Leonard Mello and we're at Tavolo Italian Kitchen in John Road, Boynton Beach. I love to cook with color, lots of plate presentations, nice purple carrots. We're doing a little broccoli rabe, some greens on the plate to give some little color to our dish. But I think it's so important to cook with color, so good luck.
My name is Anthony Barber. I'm with Troy's Barbecue in Boynton Beach. And the way that we cook with color is that we use brown oak wood. We also use, that creates a red fire using black lump charcoal. And then those two elements together create an orange fire. And that orange fire we use underneath the ribs for a direct heat process. And that direct heat process turns a pink or a white meat pork item into an orangish or a pink reddish item, producing our pork spare rib.